Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And looking for a light, nutritious meal. This fruit and salad packed with natural sweetness, a hint of tangy lemon, and for a satisfying and healthy dish, perfect for breakfast or a light dinner. Ingredients: banana, one kiwi, and um, instruction: peel and dice the banana and kiwi into small pieces, and healthy benefits: banana provides natural energy and is rich in potassium and fiber. Kiwi is loaded with vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. Lemon aids um, digestion and adds refreshing taste. Thank you for watching.